Hi there. So today we're going to learn about how to create a new story on a Tiki-Toki timeline. In case you haven't heard of it before, Tiki-Toki is a software used to create interactive timelines for a variety of different events or projects. With making these timelines, each new story you create represents a different event or a point in the project. So by clicking and dragging, it creates a 3D interactive viewing effect, and you can scroll through around this way. And by clicking on the different events, you can learn more about them. So for example, we'll go to the Curse of the Billy Goat. If we click the button that says More, we can see the title, a description of it, an image or other form of media will be included as well. And then if you go to where it says Find Out More, it will take you to a link with a full story on the event. That way the viewer can learn more about it as well. So if you couldn't tell by the title of the Tiki-Toki I've created, this timeline covers a brief recap of the Chicago Cubs MLB baseball team's journey to the 2016 World Series title. The timeline starts back as far as 1906 if we scroll all the way back here. But there still hasn't been an event created for their most recent title in 2016. So that's what we're going to do here today. So if we go ahead and click on the Admin tab, then we'll click on where it says Create New Story with a plus sign next to it. And then first, we'll go ahead and make a title for it. So for this case, we'll go with The Curse Has Been Lifted. And then next, we'll set the start and end date. So since this event took place on November 2nd, 2016, that's what we will go ahead and change it to. And then by changing the start date, it'll also automatically make the end date stay the same. So you can also adjust the time on it as well if you would like, but we don't need to do that for this case here. So then in the box where it says intro, we'll type a brief description of what happened here. So we'll go with the longest drought in World Series titles ended after an 8-7, 10-inning nail-biting victory over the Cleveland Indians in Game 7. All right, however, our intro only says so much about the event, so for viewers to be able to learn more about the full story, we'll go ahead and copy a link to the whole story as well. All right, so we'll go here, select it, Command C to copy, and then shortcut to paste will be Command V, and then we'll click Save so that our progress is saved. Awesome. And then next we will click on the Media tab above the title here. Then we're going to click on the plus sign labeled Add New Media. So then for the source, we'll copy and paste the image's address. So if we go here, this article had an image that I wanted to use. So we'll go ahead and copy image address, and we'll go back, and then Command V, it pastes it, and you can also do a preview of it as well. So it is an image. However, if you would like, you could also do audio and video as well. And the index number here, you can choose from 1 through 10, and basically the lower the number it is, the higher it'll show on the view. So if you had the number 1, that image would show first in a gallery. So then next we need to make a caption for the image that we selected. So for this case, we'll go ahead and do but what I did here is I gave a brief description of the action taking place in the photo, as well as I gave credit to where it came from. So we'll click Save. And then if we click on the Admin button again, it'll take us out. And we can see that our event has been created here. And you can find all the details that we just made. All right, so that is a brief recap as to how to add a new event on Tiki-Toki. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will tune in to the rest of my videos. Thank you.